Now, Turkey's auto sector is racing ahead and its exports are expected to reach 25 billion by the end of this year. Well, that is an increase of 8% over the previous year, despite slow economic activity in Europe, which is Turkey's main export market. 2 out of 3 automotives made in Turkey sold outside the country. Well, Turkey is already the biggest supplier of cars, trucks and buses to the European Union. Foreign investment into the country is also gathering steam. Earlier, we spoke to Arda Ermut. He's the president of Turkey's investment promotion agency. Here's what he had to say.
You know, Turkey has an interesting story, especially with regard to foreign direct investments. The volume of FDI came to Turkey until 2002 was only 15 billion US dollars, 1.5. But after 2002 to this day, the volume is something like 180 billion US dollars. So there is a huge and dramatic change. And that's, of course, due to the political stability and also thanks to the reforms that has been enacted during this time. When you look at the main assets of Turkey, like the geostrategic location, the dynamic demographics, the young population with an average age of 30 years old, a 78 million total population. But when the investors are coming for Turkey, they are not coming only for the domestic market. They are coming for the neighboring countries also. There is a total population of 1.6 billion people with a total GDP of 28 trillion US dollars. So it's an important location in between many important markets, dynamic markets of the world, at the same time with a young and skilled and tech-savvy and highly adapted to new technology young population. We are talking about the 25 million people of labor force. So this actually attracting foreign investors and making many companies to put their headquarters in Turkey. Like Coca-Cola is managing 94 countries from Turkey. Microsoft is managing 80 countries from Turkey. So not only as a managerial hub, but also as a production hub. Turkey, especially in the last 2 years, experienced some difficulties, and rating agencies was not, according to our opinion, was not very fair on Turkey. But even in that, the situation, especially in the last quarter of 2016, there has been a strong recovery in the FDI, and also after January, Turkish lira is also starts to appreciate, and the existing amount is something like 7%. So I think that the investors are deciding, and economic actors are deciding on a more rational base than politicians.